Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Let me show you this simple and straightforward chocolate cake recipe. Into a sieve, add 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, half cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon vanilla sugar. If you are using liquid vanilla flavor, you add that to your wet ingredients. Now you sieve it like this to remove any particles and use a whisk to mix your dry ingredients together. You are going to mix it well so that everything is well combined thoroughly. Now, after you have done this, you go to your wet ingredients. For your wet ingredients, you need 2 eggs. If your eggs were in the fridge, bring them out 30 minutes to 1 hour before time so that they can be at room temperature. Now add half cup of oil, then add your milk. For this recipe, I used 180 ml of milk and 60 ml of sour cream. This is sour cream that I just added. Sour cream is going to give your chocolate cake more moisture, especially if you are going to keep the cake for a couple of days, weeks, or perhaps months. If you use only milk, your cake will still be moist, but not as moist as if you add sour cream. Now mix them all together. Then add 1 teaspoon of coffee into a cup and add hot water. I mean very hot water to dissolve the coffee. Now for chocolate cake, you need very hot water for this recipe for your cake to be moist. You can use only hot water instead of adding coffee. That's it if you don't have coffee or if you don't take coffee. You can use only hot water, and trust me, your cake would not taste like coffee. If you have that fear, don't worry, your cake would not have coffee taste. The coffee would only enhance the chocolate flavor. Now add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix. You can add in batches so that you are able to mix everything together thoroughly. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together like this. Can add in batches if you want and give it a good mix. Now, if you have watched to this point, I would urge you to please subscribe. From time to time, I post simple recipes like this, and I will urge you to please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know where you are watching from. Let me know if you are going to try this recipe, and if you have tried it, what was the outcome? I'll be looking forward to your comments. Thank you very much. Give it a comments. Thank you very much. Give it a very good mix. Once that is done, in your baking pan, line the bottom with a baking paper, then add some oil with a brush to all the edges so that it's easy for your cake to come out. Once you have done this, you add your batter into your baking pan. The batter for chocolate cakes like this is usually runny, so don't be bothered that your batter is runny. This is how it should be. Bake it at 180 degree for 40 minutes. And here is the outcome. First, allow your cake to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Bring it out onto a rack and allow it to cool completely. This cake came out just how I wanted it, soft, moist, and very tasty. You can serve it however you want. Look at the inside, very moist. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you. Bye.